me how you're closer to ya. Tell me how now.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It is currently raining, it's thundering, and I'm loving the vibe. I love it when I don't have to go outside and then it's just like thundering and raining. But when I have to leave my house, forget about it. I'm like, no. But anyways, so for today's video, we are doing a budget with me. I'm gonna show you guys how I break down my monthly expenses by using this tracker. It is available in my Etsy. I will leave the link in my description. So let's get started. So I have my bank envelope here, and today we are working with $761. So let's go ahead and put this money in the cash tray. I hope everyone is doing well. I am doing fantastic. I'm so excited for Thanksgiving. I can't wait for Thanksgiving. My mom always tells me, you act like you don't eat. It's not that I act like I don't eat. It's just Thanksgiving is like a special day, and you get to eat like a lot of different food, and I love it. Like my mother-in-law, she's Puerto Rican, and she cooks like the traditional American Thanksgiving dinner, and I freaking love it. My mother, she's Dominican, so they cook very different from Puerto Ricans. Like they will cook the pernil, but not the same as Puerto Ricans do. And then they will make like arroz con gandule, that's rice and beans, and like potato salad and mac and cheese. But Puerto Ricans, they have more food, like different things that you can eat. I don't know, is it just me? But like I get super excited to eat. So I think like I'm just not gonna have breakfast that day and just pig out. And yeah, that's it. I just thought you should know that. Too much information, but okay. Anyways, we're gonna use this monthly expense tracker or breakdown. We're gonna erase all of this, and because this was for last month of October, so we're gonna clear this up. And the way I do that, I know I've had a lot of people ask me, okay, what do you do, what do you use, how do I clean it? So guys, this is it. Just very simple. You use cotton ball or even a Q-tip, paper towel, anything. So look, I'm running low, but it's okay. They're only like $1.29 at the 99 cent store, like $2. So anyways, you grab a cotton ball, and then I'm also running out of alcohol, so you use this, and that's it, guys. Very simple. Just a little bit. Okay, sorry, I'm back. My phone just stopped recording, I think because the memory is full, because I have so many videos and pictures. Oh gosh. Anyways, even the alcohol dried up. So let's use just a little bit more. I think one of my kids is at the door. My room door, because I'm recording this from my room. I don't know. Well, they know I'm recording, and my husband is out there with them. Or maybe that's just my dog. I don't know. Anyways, so my rent is always $1,091.63. So what I do is I round it up to $1,092, and then I divide it by 2 paychecks. Ooh, what is that? 1,092 divided by 2. That is $546. So that's the amount we write here for rent half. 546. Oh, and by the way, I use a Sharpie. Okay, so rent 546, and this is due at the end of the month. So this is 11/29. Okay, and now Verizon is my what is it, my Wi-Fi. So my Wi-Fi is always the same price, and this is $56.33. Okay. My Con Edison is my electricity bill, and this always changes. So for this month, it's only $80.61. I'll add the dates after. I don't remember. Google, which is an app that I use to store my pictures and everything, it's $3.26. Gym, this is my husband, and the monthly is $27. My phone keeps stopping, like it stops recording. I really need to clear up some space on my phone. Anyways, Netflix is $15. Ooh, what happened there? Maybe I didn't dry enough. $15. Amazon is $6.52. Sprint, my cell phone, is $117. And then the other half of the rent is $546. I also pay for an app called Canva, and I pay $12.99. So Canva, I'm gonna use my first paycheck to pay this. So I might just remake this tracker and add it onto here. Okay. All right, so what's next? We add up everything. So let's see, 546, 5633, 80, 61, 326, 27, 15, 652, 117, 546, and $12.99. So all my monthly expenses total to $1,000. Oh my gosh. So I'm just gonna use this pink Sharpie that I have. Yes, definitely the marker. So it's $1,410.71. So paycheck one, we got paid $761. So that means that my next check, in order to be able to pay for all my monthly expenses, should be $650. And that is how we break it down. This I will do at the end. I don't remember the dates, so I'll do that off the camera. But anyways, let's continue. All right, so for the first paycheck, we are paying everything that's highlighted in peach plus the Canva. So let's add that up. That is 546 plus 5633, and then 80, 61, 326, 27, 15, and then $12.99. That is a total of $741.19. I'm only putting $741. I should have 19 cents in the bank. So then I use this envelope. So I take it out. So guys, I ordered a binder from pinkxbudgetz. So once I get that binder, I'm gonna create envelopes for the bills and use that binder, just so I have a separate binder for my bills and then a separate binder for my sinking funds. I did say in my last video that I was not gonna do that because it's too much, but I'm just gonna do it, okay? So don't judge me. Anyways, so let's go ahead and take out $741 and add it to autopay, which is my bills. All of my bills are autopay. So let's do this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 650. So 650, and then 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 91. Guys, it's so windy. Oh my gosh. So let's see how much we have. We should have 741. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 650, Here it goes. 670, 690, 710, 730, 740, 741. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in here. Put it back in there. And this needs to be deposited soon. Not yet. Maybe I think next week. So yeah. All right. And then what do I do with this last $20 bill? I'm actually going to put it into my little spending envelope. And this is all I have for now, for this week. $20. I'm gonna go and put it back in here. And that's about it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and consider subscribing. Make sure you give this video a like and leave a comment, guys. I love reading all your comments, so please leave me a comment. And I'll see you on my next video. Actually, wait, I forgot one more thing. I do have some coins in here. Duh. So I'm gonna put it in there. I have a couple of coins. All right. All right, so this is a real final goodbye. See you later. All right, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.